just a temporary symptom, even when it brings me to my knees. Lately it's a never-ending cycle, ending cycle, ending cycle. Losing count of reasons I should cash out. Giving in is part of my disease. Bouncing back is getting